In this video, we are going to learn about International Tiger Day. Every year on 29th July, Global Tiger Day is celebrated to raise awareness for tiger conservation. Established back in 2010 at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia. The primary goal is to promote a global system for protecting the natural habitats of tigers and raise public awareness and support for tiger conservation issues. Tigers are majestic species and revered in various cultures. They are also an endangered species and the number of tigers is consistently declining due to poaching, hunting, and illegal trading as well as loss of habitat. Let us celebrate International Tiger Day by raising awareness and taking concrete steps to protect India's national animal from extinction. This International Day is celebrated annually with the theme "Their survival is in our hands." According to World Wildlife Fund, globally there are only 3,900 tigers are left. Tigers are one of the most majestic and royal species that we have seen globally. They are also called the umbrella species as their conservation also conserves many other species in the same habitat. Tiger conservation in India. As per the latest tiger estimation report released by Prime Minister, India's tiger population is 2,967 tigers. This is the highest number of tigers so far a country has globally. Project Tiger was also launched in India in the year 1973. Because of the planned efforts under Project Tiger, in the current situation, India has a maximum number of tigers in the world. Reasons for decrease in tiger population includes habitat loss, poaching and illegal trade, climate changes. As we all know that tiger is a symbol of beauty, bravery, strength and nationality. So save the tiger, save the nation pride. And ways to conserve tigers include conserve natural habitats, control climate changes, and prefer sanctuaries and reservoirs to zoos. Many subspecies of the tiger are either endangered or already extinct. Humans are the primary cause of this through hunting and the destruction of habitats. One can measure the greatness and moral progress of a nation by looking at how it treats its animals. So save tigers, save nation. Out in the east the jungle listens, the tigress plaintive growls in pain. The great trees hear her breathing shaking, inside her still the new lives wait. These cubs could be the last ones ever to freely live and roam unmade. Our grandchild knows the tiger never, or will the dreamer wake? Or will the dreamer